The DJI Mavic 4 is quickly becoming the most leaked drone in human history. And today we got even more details you won't want to miss, including canceled features, updated pricing, exclusive promo pictures, and a hands-on look at the new RC Pro 2 remote with its innovative vertical screen. Let's get straight into it. We've now seen over 100 leaked images, and everything from specs to design has either been confirmed or debunked. And while we're still reeling from yesterday's massive leak, there's no way to sugarcoat this. There'll be no Cine version of the Mavic 4 Pro, and ProRes support is officially absent, which is disappointing news for serious filmmakers. What's more, the camera sensors haven't increased in size compared to Mavic 3, meaning we're still looking at a 28mm Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS main sensor, a 70mm medium telephoto 1/1.3-inch sensor, and a 168mm telephoto 1/1.5-inch sensor, all great, but not revolutionary. And another letdown is the fact that the popular DJI RC track will not return. Although tracking functions are still available using the new scroll located beneath the screen of the RC Pro 2, which, and this is exciting, features a foldable high-brightness 7-inch mini-LED display that rotates to enable vertical screen use, perfect for creating portrait videos right out of the box. In fact, if you extend the R of the remote screen, it automatically powers on and even flips the drone's gimbal into vertical mode, a sleek gimmick that might be more functional than it first appears. Unfortunately, electronic ND filters won't be available at launch. Despite being listed in online shops, they've been spotted, but not included in any test units or reviewer kits, so we expect them to become available later in May. And yes, we've now seen the actual retail boxes for both the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and the DJI RC Pro 2, photographed inside stores across the globe. A huge shout out to Sebastian Fernandez for being the first to spot the Mavic 4 Pro box this morning, with exclusive images shared on Drone XL. And here's where it gets real interesting. European pricing has just leaked, showing the entry-level DJI Mavic 4 Pro, 64GB, for G combo landing at €2,189. The Fly More combo, 64GB, for G, 3 batteries, 100W charger, priced at €2,899. And the Premium Creator combo, 512GB, RC Pro 2, 3 batteries, 245W charger, hub, and bag, coming in at a steep but justified €3,849, which, for what you're getting, might still be worth it for professionals and creators. Now, back to the RC Pro 2 for a second, because it's turning out to be a major highlight of this release. With its built-in joysticks that rise and retract with the screen, foldable frame for compact travel, and ultra-bright display for outdoor visibility. It's clearly designed for serious drone pilots who demand flexibility and precision, and while the lack of a Cine version and larger sensors might frustrate power users, DJI is clearly leaning into content creation convenience with vertical video support and a creator combo that packs everything you need into one powerful kit. So while some features may have been scrapped, there's still plenty to be excited about. And with a release now imminent and stores already stocking retail units, there's little left of the imagination. DJI fans, drone creators, and aerial photographers, it's time to gear up, because the DJI Mavic 4 is nearly here, and despite the missing features, it still looks like an absolute beast of a drone with stunning visuals, intelligent features, and premium build quality. We'll be tracking every new leak, update, and official spec drop. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe to TechVerse, your home for most reliable drone news, cutting-edge leaks, and honest tech insights.